how can we total a column in numbers on Mac. So here's my small table, and I'm going to add one extra row below. So I can just click on the table and drag those two lines here for this extra free row. We will need that to add everything up. On the right side in the table properties, in the format section here, you can select a footer. We got a header, like here at the very top, products and sales, but we can also add a footer, and that's the perfect thing to do if you want to add everything together. This way, it will have a bit different color than a regular sales. In the first one, I would type total, and for this one we need to use the formula, so it's automatically calculate everything for us. You can do it by clicking insert at the very top, and there's a SUM here on the quick formula list. SUM, and by default it should manage to detect the range. If you've got trouble with that, you will need to point the range with your mouse and then hit checkbox, hit OK. And that's really it. That's how you can total the column using Apple numbers. Add extra row below, set this up as the header, that's recommended way, and then use insert SUM. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.